Just on and on it goes.
I mean, you know what? You know what? When I was at summer camp, they used to tell us, and so many people believed it, that if you did that,
yes,
there would be some sort of dye
right.
or chemical reaction that would happen around you, so you would easily be identified as the one doing this. And so every child, nobody wanted to be that person.
Exactly, because it's right there for everybody.
But you know what?
Yeah,
it worked.
It does. It puts it in their mind.
And
we don't need Caddyshack and examples. That's a quick clear, pull clear right there.
Sometimes maybe we just need to start saying that again.
Yeah.
I know it's not the truth.
Yeah. You just have to make some public... Kid, I know what you're doing over there in the corner. You haven't moved in 5 minutes.
Oh, Tim.
Me voy a la playa para seguir disfrutando aquí. Les mando un beso. Nos vemos allá en el estudio.
Sorry about that.
Of hydrochloroquine. Woo, won't be able to get that one out again.
There is definitely fun for everyone here at Hovatters.
Our record for Saturday morning is 29, and we're going to be close to it. Don't come downstairs, Mark Dubeck.
I don't know if you guys can hear this, but look at my dog in the background right here. I just got to get up and show you. So, with his squeaky toy, I should have made sure I got that before I did my forecast.
Pag titingnan mo yung guidelines na nung binabasa ko, let's say for example, kung private vehicle, ang allowed is 2 pasahero per row. Ibig sabihin, ang makakasakay lang.
Madeline's got the EP stretch. You see that in the back left? Nice job, Madeline. We got Kevin.
I missed that. You guys missed it. I missed it.
Oh my gosh.
Live from her home. There you go. That'll affect your mental health, right, Christy? So, Sammy, we said hello over there.
Yeah, Sammy wanting attention. She's getting a little excited. Whoa!
The uplift almost all went down. The uplift almost just went downhill real fast.
You try to tippy toe. That's what happens when you try and run in your heels.
You did that for a Hot Pocket?
Yes. All that for a Hot Pocket.
You broke into a bank for a Hot Pocket?
Hot Pocket.
For a Hot Pocket. Was it worth it?
Hell yeah, it's worth it. A Hot Pocket? Hell yeah.
Severe weather is not real likely. Here's Kosciuszko County. Whoa, jeez. That was, I think lightning just hit our transmitter. Jeez. Well, that will go on YouTube.
Now, how can where are we? Sorry, I apologize. I apologize for that. Just bear with me a second. We're going to go to a break.
He presented some very big numbers. Now let's go ahead and take a look. The city says that we are on pace of seeing a drop in revenue of about $80 million for the year. Now, on top of that, this doesn't want to work. Well, I'll just go through the numbers.
Good Thursday morning, a bird just flew into my house. Well, that makes for good TV. Good morning, everyone. It's a crazy morning over here at my residence, but we have some cloudy skies over there this morning. Sorry about that, folks. Just had a bird fly through my door. I had my door open for my talk this morning.
An Oceanside gym